Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Port Legal Counsel Michael Phillips raised several issues in his bid to get Judge Sukola to reconsider, but his main argument centered on sovereign immunity, essentially that the arbitration panel's decision of a monetary award to YTK infringed on the legislature's authority to set contract terms.
The legislature never allowed for attorney's fees, never allowed for prejudgment interest, never allowed for post-judgment interest, never allowed for cost, and never allowed for the money that the arbitration panel chose to award. The panel could have, in compliance with the legislature's waiver, could have allowed reliance, any money that YTK had spent.
But instead, Phillips says the arbitrator decided on a $14 million award. YTK attorney Genevieve Rapata says the Supreme Court has already ruled on the issue. She says the panel's award is valid and should be paid, as Judge Sukola has already confirmed.
Basically what they're saying is that now that there's an actual award, that sovereign immunity basically precludes Guam YTK from actually collecting or being entitled to any such award. So it's an issue that we believe was fully addressed and argued in the Supreme Court. We don't believe it has any merit. We argued extensively from the language of the Supreme Court, and while the court differs with our arguments, we believe that the issue has already been essentially decided by the Supreme Court.
Judge Sukola has taken the motion to reconsider under advisement, but even after she issues her ruling, this years-long legal battle will still not likely be over. The port has already authorized Phillips to appeal the case yet again to the Supreme Court. For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Lecanto.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.